Good morning, students. I am going to take a class for 4th standard science in this 5th chapter, food and digestion. Okay, so here given learning objectives here, describe the different types of nutrients in food, explain the importance of balanced diet, identify different parts of digestive system and their functions, explain the things which are helpful while cooking. These objectives we are going to learn now. So they given here warm up here. So unscramble the letters to find the correct names of the food items. They have given some food pictures here, and the names are unscramble. I am already written here. So they have given cheese, milk, chicken, eggs, cake, butter. These are the food items which will eat. Okay, so moving to the next page here. Food is very important part of living beings. So already you have got to know, no, food is very important for the part of living beings. We are all the living beings, like human beings, animals, birds, etc., all that. So in our life we didn't have any food, means we cannot live a long life. Okay, so food is very important. Food gives us energy to do work. Food will give to the energy to do work. It contains nutrients which are responsible for the nourishment of body. In some of foods they have very nutrients, vitamins and all no. So it have vitamins which are responsible for nourishment of our body. Our body nourishment explains are examples are wheat, rice, eggs and pulses. So these are the nutrients. In wheat we got nutrients, rice also we got nutrients, eggs and pulses. These are the food items which will give us nutrients to nourishment of our body. Have you understood now? So moving to the next here, nutrients in food. We ate different types of food to stay healthy and fit. Got to know, no? We ate different types of food, like to body make a fit. Food helps us to perform various activities like playing and reading. So food helps if we eat a food means, then we will get energy for playing, for doing another activities. Without food we cannot do anything. We got an weekend. So food contains substances which are known as nutrients. Whichever we food takes, it has very nutrients, no. If we got nutrients means we got an energy to do work or to do any activities. The substances nourishes our body. These are the nutrients we will got and nourishes our body. There are mainly 5 types of nutrients which are present in their food items. So here have very present food items are here, nutrient types of nutrients. So first one is the proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. These are the different type of nutrients which will eat. First one is proteins. In which food we will get proteins? Now we will going to learn here. So first one is the proteins. Proteins helps us to grow. Proteins helps us to grow. These are responsible to repair and damage parts of our body. If we have any damaged part in our body means, proteins helps us to grow up, to like eggs, milks, pulses, fish and meat are the substances which are rich in proteins. These are the like eggs, milks, pulses, fish and meat are the substances which are rich in proteins. They are also called as bodybuilding foods. These you can see the picture here. So milk, meat, fish, eggs are having their, no. So it gives up proteins or different nutrients to grow up our. Okay, these are all called the bodybuilding food. This is nothing but an bodybuilding foods. Protein foods is nothing but an bodybuilding foods. Next one, fats. So different types of nutrients. No, first one is protein is over. Now is fats. Fats contain high amount of energy. Fat contains high amount of energy. We got an high amount of energy. They have more energy than carbohydrates. They have more energy than energy also having, and more carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is nothing but an, whichever we will eat food, it gives us a carbohydrates. It is nothing but an fat. The carbohydrate is nothing but an fat. If we have a less carbohydrates means we didn't get it fatness. Okay, examples for carbohydrates, examples here: butter, ghee and oil. Oil which will work which will do a food in oil, ghee, butter. These are the carbohydrates, is nothing but an fat foods. Need lesser amount of fat for proper functioning of our body. If we eat less amount of ghee, butter or oil, it is nothing but an carbohydrate. We take a less amount means we will get an functioning of our body. Our body, it will goes goodly. Extra amount of fat can lead to weight gain or obesity. If we take a more carbohydrates, or if we take a more fats, it is nothing but an we got an weight gaining, means weight will put on. Okay, they are also known as energy giving foods. Fat foods or carbohydrates foods is nothing but an butter, ghee and oil is nothing but an energy giving foods. So moving to the next page here, carbohydrates also provide us energy. Carbohydrates also provide us energy. People who do a lot of work need good amount of carbohydrates, such as farmers, sports persons and laborers. Carbohydrate is also most important for our body. It provides energy to people. What do lot of need good work? Some of how the farmers will do us more work, no, and also sportsmen also, they need, the most important need are carbohydrates. If they take a carbohydrates means they will get a more energy for their activities. For example, carbohydrates will take more of people such as farmers, sports persons and laborers. Next, food items like vegetables, potatoes and cereals, rice, wheat and corn contain carbohydrates. In these carbohydrates, for example, they have given here vegetables, potatoes and cereals, rice, wheat and corn contain carbohydrates. These are the food items which will contain the carbohydrates. Next one is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins help our body to fight with the disease. Minerals are responsible in the formation of blood, bones and teeth. Vitamins help our body to fight with diseases. If we have any diseases means vitamins fight to there. Minerals are responsible in the formation of blood. If we have a minerals means we will not get any formation in our blood, bones and teeth. Vegetable, fruits, milk and eggs are the primary sources of vitamins. In which we will got and vitamins and minerals means vegetables, fruits, milk and eggs are the primary sources of vitamins and minerals. They are also known as protective foods. Vitamins and minerals is nothing but an protective foods for our body. Sodium, potassium, calcium and iron are examples of minerals. Bones and teeth are made up of calcium. These are the items we will get for the made up of our calciums. Roughage and water. So water is also most important of our body. No, without water we cannot live. Okay, roughage helps to remove waste materials from our body. Roughage is a part of plant which cannot be digested. Food items like green leafy vegetables, fruit and cereals are examples for the roughage. For roughage, here given an example for here, fruits and cereals are the examples for roughage. They contain fiber. In fruits we got an fiber which is not digested properly. If we eat fruits means we cannot get and digested properly. Water is very important for proper functioning of our body. Water is the most important for us now. So water is a very important for proper functioning of our body. So moving to the next page here. A balanced diet. A balanced diet means a balanced diet contains all type of nutrients such as fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals in right quantity. The food we eat every day is called our diet. Daily what will we eat means it is nothing but and we called as diet. So in that comes nutrients also, fats also, carbohydrates also, proteins, vitamins and minerals in right quantity. If we take a right quantity in a daily diet means we got our functioning directly. Roughage and water also play an essential role in balanced diet. Roughage and water also play an essential role. Without water we cannot eat properly. Water is also and roughage is also very important for our essential body. So balanced diet. Okay, in this class here up to finish. In next class I will take a digestion of food. We will go to learn through the digestion of food. Thank you.